Okay, we swept out the grass. So there's the spring. There's a rock stack. Now we're going to try to walk back and see if this video takes. Now we're going back to the house. So right up here. Every time we walk through here, did you already stack a rock?
I did.
We try to stack a rock. Oh, I found one right here. And I'm going to build a base for now. Stacking a rock right here that we can stack onto. Actually, I'll go right there. Cool. So, oh, Shelly, when it was raining the other day, after the rain, this is pretty solid. So she built a little tunnel.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Little tunnel that the water can go under. We were expecting it to clog up with leaves, but it didn't, because otherwise there'd be a dam right here. But it didn't, so she built the tunnel, so the water is flowing pretty good right underneath the tunnel.
Good. I mean, we won't come back and have to rebuild it.
Yes. Alright, there's Keith.
Hey.
There's our old steps that we were going to build real steps to, but we decided to build a bridge right there. You ready to keep going up?
Yes.
See if we can make it all the way up. Going to the old steps. So, yeah, I looked to the right and I saw that before, and I thought that'd be kind of cool to walk through. So, the trail's going to come here. There's going to be a landing right here. We're going to fill with dirt. Nice landing. Switch back. Come right here. And then, right there's going to be a bridge. Following along down the trail. Cool beans. Now continuing. Do you have everything?
I do.
Cool. We keep finding bottles everywhere. Oh, hey.
And taillight.
Taillight.
From a 50s car.
So it's pretty ugly, but it's kind of cool. Decided to leave it. There's a really nice breeze. It's really nice. And we haven't really done anything here. We barely even swept. We marked an arrow. We might cut this out. We told everyone, go down the hill, turn at the car or the junk. And then there's an old brake drum with a tree in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
That's how long this has been here. This hill's pretty tough. So we're going to build steps here.
Stack walking sticks throughout.
Oh yeah. So if someone needs a walking stick to go up a hill, grab it. See that?
Yeah, chipmunk.
It was right here.
Yeah, I see it in the tree still. It's in the log. See it? Oh, no, it's up inside there now.
Cool. Nature. So, walk down, take a walking stick. Walk up, use a walking stick. Then we get to the flatter section, and then we're done. Underneath these mayflowers, what are they called?
Mayflowers. May apples.
May apples. supposedly morels grow. But we have not seen any this year.
None.
What the heck?
Picked 2 in the yard, and that was it. Slippery.
So I already did this part.
Yeah.
Right there. Just filled it with dirt. Pretty nice. And now we exit the trail. And there's our trail to the spring.
That's a deer use.
That the deer use. Pretty cool. Thank you for joining us on our little journey.